Hi everyone, my name is Leah. I am coordinator of Thinkerspace, and today we're going to be talking about matter. What's the matter, you ask? Well, everything. Matter makes up everything around us, including the air that we breathe, to the books that we read, to the water that we drink. Why, even our bodies are made up of matter. Now, you may have heard that everything is made up of atoms, which is true. Atoms are these tiny, invisible to the naked eye building blocks that make up all the matter around us. Matter comes in three basic states, which are solids, liquids, and gases. Solids like to keep their shape at a given temperature. So some examples of solids are this table, my bottle, this beaker, even my shirt. Very unlike liquids that like to take the shape of their container. Some examples of liquids are water, juice, even the blood inside of our bodies. And last, we have gases, which are a little tricky because for the most part, we don't see many gases. But like the air in this room that we're breathing, there's oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and those like to fill the space that they're in and spread out. Like I mentioned earlier, matter is made up of atoms, right? This represents a little atom so that we can see it. Now, when atoms join together and bond, they make molecules. And inside of all of our matter, we have molecules. And depending on the state of matter, those molecules are going to behave a little bit differently. Here's a fun, easy experiment you can do at home to see your own change in state of matter. We're going to start with a solid and a liquid, and the chemical reaction between the two is going to create a gas. For this experiment, you're going to need an acid. I'm using apple cider vinegar, but regular vinegar or lemon juice will also work. We have about a tablespoon of baking soda, about a half cup of that acid. I have a funnel, a balloon, and a small-mouthed container. You can also use a water bottle that's been emptied, but just have to have a small enough mouth so that the balloon can fit over it. We're going to carefully put our baking soda into our balloon. Once we have that in there, we're going to set the balloon to the side. We're going to take our acid, our vinegar, or apple cider, or our lemon juice, about a half cup, and we're going to put that into our small mouth. Then we're going to carefully spread open the mouth of our balloon and put it over the opening of our container. We're going to make sure that it's nice on there. I haven't dumped the contents inside yet. We're going to hold on to that lid so the balloon doesn't pop off, and then we're going to turn it upside down and shake it around. You can see the reaction is almost instant. Our acid is reacting with our baking soda to create a gas to fill up our balloon. The gas created is carbon dioxide, which is the same gas that we breathe out. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Once the reaction has run its course and it stops fizzing, mine is still fizzing here, you can take off the balloon and let it fly off. Because mine has apple cider vinegar in it and it's probably going to be a little smelly, I'm going to empty this over a sink. And there you have it. We've gone from solid with a liquid to creating a gas. Thanks for joining me today to learn about our states of matter. I encourage you to look around the home to see what kind of matter you can find.